Hi, I'm Maddie.
And I'm Shelby.
And today we're going to talk about two Terra Origin products that are great for gut health. I used the vanilla bone broth protein powder to make a smoothie. Shelby, would you like to try my smoothie?
I would love to. It's delicious, and you really don't get the taste of bone broth in it at all.
Yeah, the great thing about this product is that it's sweetened naturally with stevia, so you can enjoy it on its own, just in water or milk, or for a refreshing twist, add it to your smoothie.
I chose to make a matcha latte smoothie using Terra Origin's Probiotic Collagen Peptide Powder. Maddie, would you like to try my matcha latte smoothie?
I would love to. That's really good. I love a good matcha latte, and it's even better knowing that there's extra gut-friendly ingredients in there. If you're looking for an easy way to get more gut-healthy ingredients into your diet, definitely give these products a try.
And these are great added into a smoothie like we did today, or they're awesome on their own in water or with a plant-based milk.